Welcome. In front of me is an LG V60, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you put the device up for the first time, you'll be presented with the welcome screen where you get to choose your language. So just tap on the first field right here and choose your desired language. Now I'm going to stick with English, so I'm going to go back, but you can see there is a plethora of choices here. And from there, once you choose your language, tap on the arrow and we can progress further. So you have a new second screen. Now this is I think partially has to do with the case that you can get for it, the one that adds a second screen. I'm just gonna disregard this for now. Then you have insert SIM card. Now this step is completely optional, doesn't really change anything. I can insert the card right now, or you can do it later, and once you do, the outcome is exactly the same. It just immediately starts working. So let's just skip this. Then you have the Wi-Fi connection. You can connect to Wi-Fi from here, or also choose to skip this by tapping next here. I'm gonna skip it. The only thing that it will allow you to do when you connect to Wi-Fi is it will set the time automatically. As you can see right now, I don't think it's correct. I think it's like, yeah, it's almost 10, so it's a little bit 5 hours ahead, and I'm not even sure if it's the 18th, so it doesn't really it's not really correct. So from here, let's tap on next. You can choose to set the time or just skip it. It will set automatically once you connect to Wi-Fi. Then you have the Google services. So from here, I have a couple of things you can disable. Location, use location, and allow scanning. So both of them, or well, it's one of the same thing. I use location to basically know where you are, and this works good in cases of Google Maps. So it knows where you are and it will show you the correct route to your destination that you try to choose. But it also allows Google to basically know where you are and give those annoying pop-ups. For instance, if you go to a restaurant, it will pop you up with, hey, rate your experience in this restaurant, which they shouldn't know you've been there because it's kind of intrusive, but whatever. And then you have also send user and diagnostic data. Keep part send user data, which again gathers data on how you use the device and sends it to Google so they can quotation mark improve the experience. So you can disable and enable this however you want. I personally prefer to disable this. I don't really care. Then you have secure your phone, so you can add a method of locking and unlocking your device so not everybody can get to it. So by default it looks like it's set to a fingerprint, which that will also force you to set up a PIN pattern or password. So you can choose one or the other or both. Well, if you go with fingerprint you have to have two different ways. So I'm gonna go with just a pattern. So let's tap on the pattern, next, and confirm. Now if you were adding a fingerprint, it would first tell you to add one of those three methods, and then you will be able to just simply scan your finger on the sensor that is somewhere like on the display here. And then legacy or legal documents, choose the region you will use this device in. So for me it's going to be the first one, obviously. I'm not sure if that changes anything, honestly, or you choose it. So then you have again legal documents, sign your soul away, and let's click on done, and we're finished the setup. So that's how you go through the setup process of this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.